All right, running my Typhon 6S. Now I'm gonna do some speed runs, so I'll probably cut this video for now to not show you what's under here unless I'm successful. But anyways, Traxxas EC with the 2400 kV motor, GNSS performance analyzer. Nervous. Hopefully it doesn't catch fire. Am I recording? I don't know if I hit record. Shoot. Oops. Okay, I'm recording. Whew. Here we go. Nervous. All right, so see if you can see that. Oh yeah, see the display. Oops. So we're going, okay, 12. You can see it moving right there. So we'll do track, start, read. Oh, that's from last time. Okay, so we'll go stop, read, 0. So again, we'll do track, start, stop, read, zeroed out. You can see it moving. Or not. Come on. Is it not reading? Oh, there it goes. Okay, so track, start. See what she does. Whew! I'm nervous. I think I'll go from there to up here, huh? Oh, it's already cutting out? Oh, shit. There's no smooth throttle. Trim is way off. Hold on. Oh shit. Come on. Straighten out. It had a hard time taking off. Okay. Here we go. Ready? You're gonna have to stay a little behind me. So, is somebody coming?
No.
Come on. Here we go. Anybody on the right of me?
No.
Full throttle for a long time there. Holy smokes. Uh oh, I think it cut out.
No.
Okay, Trace. Come on. Start moving. Here we go. Is it moving? No, it's stuck. It cut out. Shoot, it cut out. Quick, hop in the vehicle.
You have to drive all the way to here?
Why not? It's easier than walking, especially if somebody comes. Oh gosh. Yeehaw. It's like if somebody came over the hill and ran it over, huh? Okay. I'll be right back. Whew. Okay. Still rolling. I guess we can get out, huh? See what she did. Okay, let's see what she did. So we'll do stop, read. Oh, that's weak sauce, 93. I think it heated up faster than I was wanting. So amperage, voltage. Oh, I think I blew out the speed controller. Damn. Yep, that blue. That's weak sauce. No!
You have to go back now.
Yeah, that was weak.
One run.
That's it, 93. No wonder people say don't run these, because you really can't. Wow, that sucks. Well, like I said, it was just an extra one sitting there, so... Oh, well, some bitch. 93. Yeah, I think it just draws too much amperage. Anyways, weak sauce, 93 miles an hour, weak.